Alright, today we are going to design a packaging design using a simple uh, packaging mockup. Now this mockup and this file is available on the Gmail drive. I will provide the link in the description. So simply drag and drop the file on the main window and select this tool, which is a object selection or quick selection tool. Now I'm going to simply rub it over here and the whole object will be selected. Now go to new layer and control, either you can do is control shift J to move this object to the next layer. Now we don't need this layer. We can fill the color, but I'm not in the mood. Now first we are going to go to this spicy potato chips and we are going to simply drag and drop the object on the file on the this is a very high resolution, so there is no issue, it will not go. So currently this has been created as an object. I am going to simply select alter and you will see this. I'm going to simply going to mask this on the selected area. Now I can adjust it by using move tool. Okay, control T to decrease the size, and now simply go to normal and colored one. This is the layer style. We can use it very easily. Overlay whatever you like, you can make the changes here, and this is done. It's so easy now, easy to create this. We can select this and go into the adjust and go into the curves where image adjust curves, and we can increase the curves of the packet. We can decrease the. Okay, done. Thank you for watching. This product has been designed. Okay, thank you.